Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new card making tutorial. Today I will be creating layered beautiful card with papers from ABstudio. These are the papers from Enchanted Flowers collection, and these are really lovely blue, pink and very light colors. So I have chosen 3 papers, one with lots of elements for fussy cutting and one pink for my first layer. It's like smudges of paint. I really like it. Very lovely rich pink color. That will be my first layer as my background. And the other one with flowers coming, going across the paper, but I am going to cut on the side of the paper, so I'm actually have a very light piece of paper with a little bit of script. That will be my second layer. My card is 10 by 20 centimeters, and I will link all the products used underneath the video, so check description box for the products, and you can also ask in the comment if sometimes I forget to add something, so you can leave a comment and I will answer as soon as I can. Added another paper here with the beautiful tags, and I actually cut out one of them which has no color, and I'm inking the edges of it. And the first layer I am attaching with glue. For the second layer I will be using foam pads just to to raise that layer to give it more dimension. And I have added the machine stitches actually on the half of the second layer because I ran out of twine. So it's only on the half, but it doesn't matter, it still looks good. And it's not necessary to add this if you have a machine, or if you add hand stitches it will look great. If you don't add it, it's still okay. I have prepared few elements for the card. As you can see, it's not much on my desk, which I am actually really happy about it, because I'm trying to show that you can use very little elements and still create really nice card. So I've got the elements on the right. These are the one which I cut out of the ABstudio papers, and on the left I have one big foamy flower and one smaller one, which you will see later that I am not going to use the smaller one. I've got one doily which I die cut out of the pink paper, and I've got 2 little pieces of lace. One is like a leaf shape, the other one is just decor, and I've got one die cut branch as well, one leaf. It's die cut with ladyedesign die, and the flowers are also created with ladyedesign dies, and link for those you will also find underneath the video. So I've got my tag attached. I also use the foam pads for the tag, because I love to create dimension compositions. I will stick the doily on it, and that green leaf and the big flower, that will be my actually main composition, so it will be actually in the middle of the card. And I also love that clock on the this is also cut out of the paper collection. It's very pretty, and it's got some flowers in the background, really lovely. So those the clock I'm attaching with the foam pad as well, and for the rest I'll be using hot glue gun. And I was wondering if any of you are using cold glue guns, because I heard they work quite well, but I don't have one and I never used it. But would be nice not to burn my fingers all the time. So if you are listening, just leave me a comment and maybe some feedback if it works good or not, because I would worry that it will not hold elements as good as the hot glue gun. Hot glue gun is really really good for me. So as you can see, I'm almost finished with the composition. I still got that little lace and green leaves to add, and the sentiment. And the sentiment is also cut out of the paper collection, which is really nice, you know, to have those papers with the elements. I really like those sheets, because if you need anything, you can cut out and you can create layers, and it's usually, you know, different elements, so it's very handy to have papers like that. So I will add those leaves to my composition as well, and then I am going to attach that sentiment which says this is your special day, and I think it's really nice that is black, because it will give nice contrast. Oh, I forgot, I'm also adding those pieces of twine. I've got two bows, one next to the flower and one which will be underneath the sentiment, and that will be it. I hope you will like that video, and it will inspire you to create something similar. And please, if you are following my tutorials, please mention ladyedesign or Emilia Sieradzan on social media, or you can share the video as well, so others can see it, your friends. And yeah, that would be very nice, and I always appreciate lovely comments and everything you say about my work and about the videos. It's really encouraging and motivating. So I also added those two gray gems. I like this because these are not very shiny. Adding the splashes now, and my card is finished. So I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.